Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5.
The Collegiate Drone Racing Championship is not just a drone race. Yes, it's the fastest college pilots from around the nation competing for podium and more than that. But the Collegiate Drone Racing Association, CDRA, is the only community in the world like it. Pilots competing for their respective teams race their aircraft at incredible speeds, aiming to take home the title of the nation's fastest university.
This is my third year now in CDRA. The first one was North Dakota, then down in Atlanta at Georgia Tech, now here in Purdue. The amount of time that I've been spending with my team has been just incredible, and there hasn't been a single moment where I haven't been just smiling, laughing, and having fun with them. Not only that, but I got to see my friends from Virginia Tech, from Oregon State, from just universities all around. And sharing that universal college student experience is something that, on top of drone racing, lets us bond on an even deeper level. And these are really memories that are going to last for years.
This CDRC has been not only my first CDRC, but actually my first race. I was able to do amazingly just from the support of my teammates, from being able to go from not being able to even turn a quad without buddy boxing, to being able to get through 90% of the course on one battery before the time ran out. It's been an amazing experience to see myself just progress that much from the support and the help of everyone here and everyone back at home who's willing to just sit down with you for an hour and watch you sim and give you tips and tricks. It's been an amazing experience to see so many people from so many different backgrounds, from so many different areas, from so many different majors. Well, most of us are mechanical engineering. But to see people just come together and just have a good time and see how far we can push ourselves and how fast we can go, whether it's our personal best or beating another friend or just trying to place.
Good shot!
It's worth everything.
There's points for how much
Careful, cameraman. It might be on. It might be on you.
Tape measure.
Where's the tape measure?
CDRA has come a long way, and through ups and downs, we have continued to see growth and success. This year, we've had the funding and the privilege to go back to our roots for the 2024 championship at Purdue University.
It goes to Mr. Northeast, the beast himself. Pino is your 2024 Collegiate Drone Racing Champion.
No matter what, everybody's always greeted with hugs and laughs and yelps of joy. And it's really a pleasing event. It's just wholesome drone racing fun. Just everybody here at CDRC, both the event organizers, the pilots, just everybody. Everyone's so nice, pleasant, just fun to be around, fun to talk to, fun to hang out with. And I'm really sad that it's over, but I'm looking forward to next year's competition. I can't stop coming back to these events, and I don't think I ever will, no matter what happens. So yeah, off to next year.